Hello friends of our homestead. The weather this week brought us a lot of snow and there was not much that you can do outside or even in the shop. But to make my wife happy, I decided after 4.5 years when we start building the house, I should start to make her the kitchen cabinet doors. Happy wife, happy life. So in this video I like to show you how I built the kitchen cabinet doors. To make the frames for the cabinet doors, I used birch wood that I milled myself with my block band saw. If you like to see that video, I put the link for you in the description down below. To cut the tongue out of the boards, I used the table saw. Sometimes it's hard to adjust the machine if you want to have the tongue absolute perfect in the center of the boards. To hold the board straight and flat on the surface of the table saw, I made me that little jig out of a big block of wood. It holds the board absolute vertical and in a 90 degrees angle to the table of the table saw. And it pushes the board to the side stop. Then I cut the groove or the slots in all the cabinet frame pieces. For the filling of the doors, we decide to use laminate flooring because of it's absolute simple to work with, it's straight and it's absolute super easy to keep it clean, which is very important in the kitchen. To use the laminate flooring in length, I use the miter saw, which works very great. And for the width, I use the table saw. And I checked all the measurements and the parts to make sure everything fits perfect together before I start to glue it together. For the cabinet doors we use these hinges. They are from Ikea, we bought them online. They are a very good quality and they are not expensive. And they come with a soft close mechanism. But for these hinges we need to drill some big holes in the frames of the cabinet doors. A 35mm Forstner drill bit did this job. To make sure they're all the same depth, I use that end stop from the drill press. And we start and glue them together. Or better, we puzzle them together. Same thing with the laminate filling for the doors. Okay, wrong way. Beginner mistake. Make sure the outside is the outside. And sometimes another pair of hands helps you a lot. At this time, we'd like to say thank you to all our new subscribers, and if you are new to our channel, thanks for staying with us. And it would be nice if you subscribe for our channel, hit only the button in the lower right corner. And if you want to be up to date, hit also the button for the notification bell. And if you still don't know it, keep in mind that we post every Sunday a new video here on our channel. Here on our channel you can find everything that has to do with our homestead. All big and small projects, solutions to our problems and sometimes crazy ideas. And useful tricks. To make our and maybe your life a little easier. After all the parts are glued together, I clamp it together to make sure they stay all in place. On some spots they need to see a little sandpaper. We used 120 grit. Now all the frames need the right color and we decide to use mahogany wrap. I drilled the mounting holes for the hinges. I marked the center of the hinges. I transfer the marks from the cabinet door to the cabinet body. I marked and drilled the handle holes. I screwed the handles on. And I screwed the hinges on. I marked the holes for the hinge plates. And I pre-drilled the holes for the hinge plate screws. I screwed the hinge plates on. And I mount the door in place. A little fine tuning and the door fits perfect. I did the same with the other doors, and happy wife, happy life, and I can go to other projects. She's happy now, and you know how easy it is to build your own kitchen cabinet doors. Thanks guys for watching this video. You can buy us a coffee if you want to support us a little. I put the link for you in the description down below. Leave a thumb up for us if you like that video, and don't forget to subscribe for our channel, and we see us next week.